You have one life. That's it. There's no do-overs. There's no redos. One life. What have you done with that life? Well, hopefully, you've done something amazing. And you know the rest of my life is going to be the best of my life. And if you're not, then we're watching the right video, because I'm going to help empower you and inspire you and motivate you to believe that that one life is going to be the best life, regardless what happened in the past. It's in the past. We can't undo it. So you made a few mistakes. So you have some regrets. Learn from it, build from it, and get over it. Let's take the next step right here, right now, to make the rest of your life the best of your life. And how can you do that? Well, by watching this video, I'm going to help you unleash your inner warrior to defeat that bully in your mind. That bully in your mind is what holds you back. It fills your mind with fear, negativity, and self-doubt, reminding you of all your past failures, all your past mess-ups and regrets. We're going to beat that bully, we're going to conquer that bully, and we're going to move on. Now, does that mean the rest of your life is going to be mistake-free? Never going to make another mistake again? Absolutely not. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that. And if anybody you've ever watched tells you that, you're never going to make another mistake. He with few failures is he who hasn't lived. Think about that. Wham! Right hook of reality there. Because you're going to make mistakes. You made mistakes in the past. I've made a ton of mistakes in the past. I don't know anybody that hasn't. Or maybe the person that hasn't really lived hasn't ever made a mistake, but that's not you. You're going to learn from those mistakes in the past. You're going to learn from this video. You're going to learn from planting the right seeds in your mental garden, how to be your very, very best, to make that one life the best life it can be. Because, and I talked about this in a video not too long ago, talking about the dash. The dash is on your tombstone, the day you were born, the day you pass away. The dash in the middle is what you did with your life. Well, right now, we're talking about making the rest of your life the best of your life. So yeah, you're going to take some risks. You're going to take some challenges, because on your deathbed, you're not going to look back and say, oh, I regret not doing this. I regret not taking that chance. I regret not believing in myself. And then life's over. Man, you're watching this. You've got air in your lungs. You've got the ability to make a change, to take that first hard step. And the first step toward any type of change is going to be the toughest. Yeah. And the next step's going to be tough too. But once you get that thing moving, baby, the law of inertia, once an item's in motion, it tends to stay in motion. So I'm trying to get you motivated, get you in motion. And how does it start? How do you start living that best life, making this life, the rest of your life, the best life ever? Man, you got to take care of yourself mentally, spiritually, and physically. Plant the right seeds in your mental garden, having the right input, positive, not negative. Block out all that negative stuff. Spiritually, if you're a Christian, reading the Bible, making sure you're absorbing into something that's going to help you feel good about yourself, help you become the warrior that you were born to be. And then physically, man, get up. And if you can't make it to the gym, just work out, do some push-ups, do some sit-ups, do some air squats, and then try and plan in your day. It all starts with planning. I'll talk about that in another video. I've talked about it many before. Plan your day to make sure you have time for those three things, mentally, spiritually, and physically. That collectively is how you make the best life possible, the rest of your life, the best of your life. Now, can you do it? Absolutely yes. And we're going to say that by get rid of all the excuses. Okay? Maybe in the comments, write excuses that you've relied on in the past. Oh, I don't have time. Oh, you don't understand my schedule. Oh, you don't understand what I'm going through. No, I don't. I truly don't. But I'm telling you, I've probably used every excuse that you could possibly think of. Put it in the comments and put in there, no more, whatever that excuse is. By seeing it and seeing how ridiculous it is, what's holding you back. Come on, one life, your best life. I want you to live it. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring that bell. Thank you so very much for stopping by. God bless you. God bless your loved ones. I can't wait to chat again real soon. God bless.